This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shameka Bellamy. What a cozy bungalow in an established neighborhood. This solid home features 3 bedrooms and 1 bath, a great room, and a laundry room. The huge backyard is perfect for pit fires, BBQs, or any type of gathering. Everything in the home is in great working order. Central HVAC installed and bathroom remodeled within the last year. Roof and hot water tank replaced within the last 5 years. Storage shed and all appliances convey. Stop by today. For more information, review the details below or contact Shameka Bellamy at 757-488-4600.